Welcome back to week 2 on our lecture series about how SpotterEDU opens lines of communication within your campus. Today we're going to be discussing how the platform can limit financial leakage and help you hit your bottom line. First, the most important thing is for you to be able to fill all of the seats in your university. Gone are the days of you relying on professors to turn in an attendance report after the first or second week to identify no-shows. Now your registrar's office can simply run a report and be able to quickly identify the students who have yet to show up for class and be able to fill those empty seats with students that want to be there. Next, eliminating avoidable financial penalties. The SpotterEDU platform sends real-time information to your registrar's and financial aid office, allowing them to connect with students that have financial responsibilities within the university, whether that's a Pell Grant student or someone on scholarship. Now, those departments don't have to rely on professors. They don't have to ask professors to do things that they don't determine as part of their job responsibility. They can get that information on their own, reach out to the student, and take care of those financial responsibilities as they come up. Now those departments do not have to rely on professors doing jobs outside of their scope of work. Professors are there to teach, so let's allow the financial aid office to reach out to those students and take care of financial obligations as they come up. Again, this will also strengthen the bond between the student and the university. Finally, retention. As we all know, it is much cheaper to retain a student that's currently on your campus than to go out and recruit a new one. What is the best way for you guys to have your students feel more connected within the university? SpotterEDU allows that success network around the student to get that real-time information that we talked about, to then open lines of communication within that success network to make that student know that you care. It's very hard to leave any place when you know that people have your best interest at heart. One of the great success stories of SpotterEDU is a professor at Syracuse University. Every year, at the halfway point of his class, he reaches out to all of the students that have missed more than 50% of classes. On average, 93% of those students do not miss another class. He directly relates that to SpotterEDU giving him the information that he needs for those students to then know that he cares about their attendance. That's how retention ultimately gets raised. We look forward to being able to help you in all of these areas, but most importantly, tying up any of those loose ends to eliminate financial leakage on your campuses. Enjoy your week. Looking forward to reviewing how our platform will organize all attendance data and allow hybrid learning, in-person learning, and any other form of learning that you might have to be collected and organized in one place.